Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Abiveer Singh Panag, and my partner Krishna Sharma from the Cool Boys group will present to you a game based on COVID 19 called the COVID Runner. In this game, we will learn how a man he goes out of his house during the lockdown and he goes to the shops, and while he is going, like, he needs to go through some obstacles which will come as viruses, and then they may come as some birds, and then as any other animal. And in front of you, you can also find those keys, so if you want, you can also read them. So now we will start. So yeah, in this game you can also jump, you can also slide, and while sliding also your runner will automatically keep running. And the special part is that if you touch any one obstacle, your score will also decrease. And with that also, and when you reach the corner, there'll be a new background picture which will start coming. So yeah, in this it will be like from the front will come from down also, and from up. So this is supposed to be the game, and then it is also based that we should wear masks and go outside, and we should also be safe when we go outside. And with that, it does not mean like we do not need to wear any mask, and we do not need to sanitize our hands. We do need to.
Thanks for viewing our project. We hope you like it.
Thank you.